You wake up after 8 hours of sleep, but you still feel like you've been dragging a backpack full of bricks. It's not that you're lazy, it's that your brain is running on empty, not from lack of sleep, but from constant mental load. Most people think rest means doing nothing, but real rest isn't about stopping your body. It's about stopping your attention from being pulled in 10 directions at once. Here's the quiet truth. You're not tired because you worked too hard. You're tired because you never truly stopped working, even when you sat down. Your phone buzzes, you check it. You scroll just for a minute. You replay a conversation in your head while brushing your teeth. You plan dinner while watching a show. That's not rest. That's low-grade multitasking, and it drains your mental battery faster than deep work ever could. So how do you actually recharge? First, create true attention breaks. Not scrolling, not watching, not even relaxing with background noise. Just 90 seconds of nothing. Eyes closed, no input, no output. Let your mind wander without grabbing onto anything. This isn't meditation, it's mental silence, and it's shockingly rare in modern life. Second, protect your transitions. The space between tasks is where your brain resets, but we fill it with phones, snacks, or rushing. Try this. After finishing work, wait 2 minutes before checking your phone. After waking up, sit quietly for 60 seconds before touching your screen. These tiny gaps, they're recharge zones. Now, here's something almost no one notices. Decision fatigue makes you exhausted, even if you didn't do much. Choosing what to eat, what to wear, what to reply to. Each tiny decision uses mental energy, and by 3 p.m. your brain is running on fumes. So simplify your defaults. Wear the same outfit twice a week. Eat the same healthy breakfast. Use templates for common replies. Fewer decisions equals more energy for what matters. Finally, stop confusing motion with progress. You can be busy all day and still feel drained because you never gave your nervous system a signal that it's safe to rest. Real rest begins when you say, for the next 10 minutes, nothing needs me. No fixing, no planning, no optimizing. Just being. And that's enough. If this helped you understand your exhaustion differently, hit subscribe. Every week, FigPhilosophy turns invisible stress into simple, visual clarity. No noise, just calm ideas that stick. This is FigPhilosophy. See you next time.